ŽRK Pelister, ŽRK Pelister 2012 WHC Pelister 2012 Macedonian, ŽRK Pelister 2012 is a Macedonian women's handball club from Bitola, North Macedonia. The team was rebuilt after 15 years in 2014-15 season. The team currently competes in the Macedonian Women's First League of Handball. ŽRK Pelister 2012 has participated twice in the EHF Challenge Cup. Champions 1984 Cherlevski Arena, Sports Hall Mladost Macedonian, Sportska Sala Mladost is a multi-purpose sports arena located in Bitola, North Macedonia. It was built in 1975 by the citizens of Bitola and is mainly used for handball by ŽRK Pelister and ŽRK Bitola, and for basketball by ŽRK Pelister. There is also room for bowling and table tennis, plus it has been used for concerts. The arena hosted the 2007 Macedonian Basketball Cup. This sports hall was the largest on the territory of North Macedonia before the construction of the Boris Trajkovski Sports Center in Skopje. On 21 July 2009, the arena is undergoing renovation. A new parquet floor will be installed along with new seats. The locker rooms will also be updated to meet EHF standards. Total cost of the project is about €30,000. In January 2017, renovation of interior of the hall started. The renovation covered the floor, the stands, a new scoreboard, and a new heating system. The first match in the renovated arena was played on April 6, 2017, with the match between ŽRK Pelister and ŽRK Metallurg in the second round of the Handball Super League play-off. At the end of July 2018, the name of the hall was changed to Boro Cherlevski, in honor of the late Boro Cherlevski, a former handball player from Bitola. Cherlevski Arena has a capacity of 4,000 seats. European record. Team. Current squad. Squad for the 2018-19 season. Transfers for the 2018-19 season.